So we would like to support our customers here in the United States, building up local expertise to support our customers with the navigation system, with our products, and on a midterm also to localize these products here in the United States.
So we're still selling a lot of gyro compasses. We have a lot of things regarding steering controls, fuel-saving autopilots, and full steering controls for single rudder systems, for dual rudder systems. And then it goes from a single ACTIS, so electronic seat charts, up to a full integrated bridge with radar, with electronic seat chart, conning, which brings all the nautical information together on one screen.
This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV, and we're here in New Orleans. We're at the International Workboat Show, and we're very pleased to be joined by Philip Kankelfitz and Matthias Büscher of Anschütz, and we're here to discuss this historic company and the new Anschütz USA. So, gentlemen, to start off, I'm sure that anyone watching this knows the Anschütz name very well, and if they don't know it, they probably shouldn't be watching because you are such a storied company in the maritime industry.
Yeah.
But to start us off, can you just give us a big overview, that 50,000 foot level look at Anschütz today?
Yeah, since you just said it's a historic company, and we're 120 years old actually, and we're well known in the market, especially for the gyro compasses. But we do a lot of more stuff with our production in Kiel, Germany, like autopilots, steering control systems, and complete integrated bridge systems for all kinds of customers, from a mega yacht to gray ships, submarines, any kind of vessel, cargo, whatever there is, you name it.
You know, the big news coming into this show obviously was the introduction of Anschütz USA. But when you look at the formation of Anschütz USA, why now, and how has that overall corporate philosophy transcended here to the States as well?
Yeah, we're currently a little bit in a strategy change. If you look at what we do from Kiel, so we're more focusing on having things done in the countries where we have the offices, in order to be there for our customers in the time zone, in different cultures, in the language and everything like that. So we're moving stuff away from Kiel to be there for the customers where they are.
Right. And that's exactly what Philip said. So we would like to support our customers here in the United States, building up local expertise to support our customers with the navigation system, with our products, and on a midterm also to localize these products here in the United States.
How is the formation of this Anschütz USA materially impacting them?
Okay, so that's not at all what you could think, like we are stepping into a competition with our own partners. The opposite is the case. So we feel we have to be here for them, to support them better, to create a warehouse, which you are working on, to have stuff here in the US so we can ship quickly. And we also want to support them from the technical point of view with our in-house expertise to support their technicians on the road. So we want to make life for them easier instead of stealing business from them.
Right, we're working hand in hand together with them. So not only working with them together, really enhancing our relationship to them and giving our expertise to them if they need additional support. They still support strongly our products, and we really appreciate that. And by having our own expertise in the United States, by building up this expertise in our office, we can support our customers even more, and also our partners here in the States. And this is what we are looking for, doing more business with them.
Again, you have such a broad product lineup, and we can go through it however you like. But let's talk a little bit about the products that you actually provide to the commercial maritime market. Mm-hmm. What are the highlights? What are you highlighting here at the show this year?
I would say the most important product for us is still the mechanical gyro compass, so the proven technology. We're on our way, and we already have maintenance-free compasses as well. So we're still selling a lot of gyro compasses to our customers, and we're still the market leader when it comes to that. At the same time, we have a lot of things regarding steering controls, fuel-saving autopilots, and full steering controls for single rudder systems, for dual rudder systems. And then it goes from a single ACDIS, so electronic seat charts, up to a full integrated bridge with radar, with electronic seat chart, conning, which brings all the nautical information together on one screen, and even integration of third-party systems. Like we can see here, we have just integrated a sonar system into our system, so you can see the sonar picture on our IMO-approved ACDIS, which is a unique thing in the market.
When you look at a typical Anschütz customer, who is that?
Oh, there is no typical Anschütz customer. So that can be everyone. And so this show is a bit special because everyone comes here from Canada down to South of America. So we're dealing here with customers from Brazil who are interested in buying a lot of gyros, as well as customers that are here that look for integrated bridge systems for I don't know, some Navy ships or oilers or something like that. So that's a little bit of everything, and I wouldn't say there's the typical customer.
So when someone is considering an Anschütz product or a system, I guess what do you count as those key customer benefits that brings them in and keeps them as customers for a long time?
I would say it's the reliability and the strong experience that we have in combination with a strong service network around the globe. I would say that's it.
Right, and in the addition, with a new office located now in Bethesda, Maryland, we also enabling us to help the customers, because we will have an own storage in place that will enable us also to ship and to respond to their needs quite quickly. And also, if we're talking about service, we will have the service in place, and then we will be able to provide high quality product service to our end customers. And this is what we are aiming with our office, and that's what we are looking for.